Obwe harukubarayo ebiro bishatu byonka akaruru kabona okuterwa abebyo kwirinda omurintungamo erya Nyakazuba bayakire byokozesa omukutera akaruru.
We got a consignment of 2 lorries from Kampala, and this consignment had 812 ballot boxes. Ballot boxes are the black boxes that you're able to see. There were 812 and 1 for each polling station.
Aha kwakiro ku ori mukuru webyobururu omurintungamo Charles Wafula yashoborora ku hakiriyo ebirukwija kuruga aha kitebe kikuru.
Along the way, I'm told there's a consignment of material still coming, carrying cordoning tapes, right? Carrying basins and carrying solar lamps. When they arrive, I'll also be able to summon the team, summon you people, and witness the offload.
Wafula yahiga abantu okurinda obusinje omukairaka obwo arukuhamya ngu ntihija kubaho oburinzi omubururu obo nangwa n'oburinganiza omukaruru ahagwe byoma ebyomurembe kandi ebyamazima.
So eyo system technology electoral commission gyalese bagita BVK tusaba buli muntu yenna ava mu ntungamo ava mu Uganda abere n'emirembe respecting abaana babali very trained machines zikola agendere mu mitendera za machine eyo tujjewo ekintu kye bayita impersonation okulondera mu linnya eritali liryo.
Omujwekerwa wa President omurintungamo Mariam Kaigaga yahamya ku omwatano gwa Uganda na Rwanda noguza kugumizamu nugukora konka abatari banya Uganda tibarekirizibwe okutera akaruru.
Nyenda ko hanze tokujja kutera akaruru kwiyaho nibije gukora business ngabutosho ko eno ageti uko abantu bakora kuba gukora business nabo security uriya kwakwija washangana bakweta Joseph ukamanya ute na nyina byo baguzi byanye nibitwara mu Uganda kino kuza kujati stopping.
Yahamya ku harukuza kubaho oburinzi ombururu obo nokutekaho obutekano buringaniza omukaruraka
no kwetororaho ko kureba noreba security yona obukumbi bwona no bureba buru nakugira ngo DPC kutwaze kumuhereza ekishumuruzo twaza gumana bigura kwa office yanjye niza gumana inyisha nindeba bigura akabox akakugenda nyatera bakatwara.
Omumakuru gandi yabesimbira habwa member wa parliament yo mu district ya Bushenyi borekire okwerarikirwa gwa nyuma yo kushanga ngu eboxi zo bururu niza kurindirwa za office ye kitongore cyebyo bururu.
Eze boxi uzukusigara hanze itwekaba candidates twatari secure twakubire twendeze boxi bazitwaze ke Zambia bya UNEB kutubereba ndi byiza bisubira police
bururu kwisha ibiro binakora ibiro bina. It gives at least a chance for any big person, for any person in a district maybe to manipulate or for any person to manipulate.
Ababa garukire bayoreka okwerarikirwa gwa nyuma yo kushanga ngo abo babire ne bakora eboxes heine eyibashangire ekomorokire. Aneti arukurira ebyo kuteza obururu mu district ya Bushenyi ahamize ebyo kwakira ebikoresebe kandi yakwatanise na RDC batwamiza ku ebyo kwirinda nebyamani abikoresebe na nahizo bari okutera karoro.
Twa receiving obururu 384 each polling station ikimanisa yatanga.
I want to assure the public security is guaranteed for election materials. Our police, it is mandated and is in charge. Konkani wa candidate one uramu trusting the police. So camping area.
District ya Bushenyi yetunjire boxi bishatu 89 ezizire kubanizo zakozesebwa omu polling stations bishatu 89. Gasha kwa Samuel Ahumuza na Olivia Nasasira habwa Tayari West.